Alecia, welcome home. The Lord have brought you back home to us safely. I can reflect on August the 24th when I hear what happened to Alecia. And somehow the Lord said to me, prepare. They are going to be at your door tomorrow. I picked my phone up and called my brother because he was abroad. And I tell him what happened. And so said, so done. The next morning, on the 25th of August, 7:30 in the morning, there's Alecia family, her mom and team right there waiting. I said, how may I help? They said, Mr. White, everyone that get burned in Jamaica, they run to San Myrna Foundation for help. And we need help for Alecia. We want to save her life. And from there, the journey began. We come together like how Jamaicans always do, give helping hand. And we stand up and we didn't stop until we raised that funds and ensure that Alecia leave out and go on her journey of recovery. But today is a special day because out of 5 persons that we help, 2 have passed away and 3 is here with us. Just give the Lord thanks. And what made it so special with Alecia is that the doctor say she was minutes away from dying. Minutes away. And they did every single thing to ensure that they save her life. And she's here today with us. And we're not just going to celebrate her homecoming, we are going to also celebrate her birthday. And we just happy to have you back home, Alecia. We fight this fight together to ensure that we see you to go back on the plane and come back home to us with a bright smile, and that's exactly what we get. Through all the pain and struggle you went through, you came back smiling. And we are grateful to the Lord for that.
I truly would like to thank the San Myrna Association for believing in me, reaching out to me and giving me that victory to like I can be here standing right now and giving the praise to God and thanking for the Shriners Hospital. Those people, they literally fixed my whole body. Like at one point I didn't believe I could do all this again, and those people made me believe. And I just want to thank the AC Hotel to accommodate me, and I appreciate everything that you've been doing. Yeah.